Now tell me one thing. Where is the tree? In which direction is the tree standing over there? Can you tell me the answer? In which direction is the tree? In which direction is the house? In which direction is the lake? And in which direction the clock is there? Come on, let me know the answers. I want the tree, about the tree. Okay, tree is in the west side. Can you write it in the sentence, children? Please write it in the sentence, full sentence. Tree is in west direction. Okay, Kapil Tiwari, good. Good, Prathamesh. Okay, west. Avnish, don't write short form. And the clock, and the clock, and the clock is in which direction? Clock is in which direction? Okay, north. Good. Danish, Vara. Okay, clock is in north direction. And the house in which direction? Okay, south. Okay. And the lake, lake is in which direction, children? See your answers. You can see your answers also. I think so everyone can see the answers. In the east. Okay, can you tell me where is the mountain? Which direction is the mountain? These are our sub directions. You must be knowing about the sub directions also. These are the main direction. East, west, north and south is the main direction, and sub directions are northwest is what? Northwest is what? Very good, Adarsh. But what is there in the northwest side? It's a mountain. Write in full sentence. I'm telling you, mountain. Okay. The well. Where is the well? Where is the well? Where is the well? East, south. Okay. These are our sub-direction. Purvaja, very good. And the lamp? Where is the lamp? Where is the lamp? Where is the lamp, children? Okay, southeast. Very good. And the fort? And the fort. Where is the fort? Lamp. Sanika, what's the spelling of lamp? It's a P, beta. Okay, southeast. And the fort? Northeast. Okay, Arohi, very good. Northeast. In middle. Okay, north and west in the middle. Okay, Rishikesh. Okay, fort is in the northeast direction. This is the correct answer. I want like this answer. Okay, children, means everyone knows a direction, main direction and sub-direction. Okay, good. Now we will see our PPT. Good. We have already learned about the main direction, north, east and the west. Okay. Now note the sub-direction that lies between every two adjacent main direction. कहाँ पे सब डायरेक्शन होता है? दोनों के बीच में. मेन डायरेक्शन के दोनों के बीच में सब डायरेक्शंस are there. You will find that the name of every sub direction begins either with north or the south. Okay, children, it starts from the north or the south. The sub direction start from the north or the south. यहाँ पे north होना ही जरूरी है या फिर south, क्योंकि middle is the north and south. Okay, उसके बीच में है east and west. Got it? Now look at the object given at the beginning of the lesson. Check your answer, correct them if it is necessary. If you want to check, you can check your answer. See the textbook. If you want to check, you can check your answer. Now, in first chapter, something in last year also, you had a picture of that girl. Not directions and maps chapter is there for you in EVS 1. We will easily guess north, south, east and west. सबको पता है नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट कैसे गेस करना है. जहां से सनराइज होता है, व्हाट इज दैट? From where does the sun rise, children? From where does the sun rises? Give me the answer. Let me see the answer. From the east. Very good. Others, from the west. From where does the sun rises? From the east. Sun rises from the east. तो ईस्ट यहाँ पे सन जहाँ पे राइज होता है उसके पीछे क्या होता है? वेस्ट. व्हाट इज दैट बैक ऑफ दैट? इट्स द वेस्ट. एंड फ्रॉम राइट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट इज द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. Okay, that is easy for you. The direction that were difficult to guess were northwest, southwest, and southeast and northeast. जानने के लिए क्या डिफिकल्ट है? नॉर्थ वेस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट, साउथ ईस्ट एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट. We can study and identify the direction and sub-direction with the help of the compass rose. Directions are always parallel to the ground. Directions are always parallel to the ground. Parallel means क्या होता है? सामने सामने. Okay. That is why a map must always be aligned to the local direction. To the north, we should put the map. We should see the map while putting it down on the ground. This makes it easier for us to understand the map and the region. It makes it easier, okay, to know the direction. Places in our surrounding are often located at some distance from one another. These places are also large in size. Maps are comparatively quite small. Maps are very small, okay. Therefore, the distance between these places has to be shown in the very limited space on the map. On the map, the space are shown very small, but naturally it's very longer distance. It has a longer distance. हम लोग को मैप में कैसे थोड़े थोड़े सब बताना पड़ता है. Okay, we are showing each and everything in the map, but naturally reality में क्या होता है? It's very distance. It has a very distance. बिल्कुल दूर रहता है वो. मैप में नजदीक रहता है, दिखाई देता है कि नहीं बाबा ये नजदीक ही है, 1 किलोमीटर है, 2 किलोमीटर, पर रियलिटी में क्या रहता है? वो दूर रहता है. When we draw a picture of house, mountain and we draw them to fit the size of the paper we are drawing on it. Now that man you are drawing on the paper, okay, तुम लोग माउंटेन ड्रॉ कर रहे हो तो माउंटेन उतना छोटा रहता है क्या जो ड्रॉ करते हो नेचुरली में, रियलिटी में, और जो सामने तुम्हारे रहता है वो एकदम छोटा रहता है क्या? नहीं. वैसे ही सेम मैप में भी रहता है. इन द मैप आल्सो सेम इट्स लाइक दिस. The space is shown very less, but in reality it is very in distance. It is having a very far away distance. Okay, it is the same while drawing maps. While drawing a map, the distance between the two places on the ground has to be shown in such a way that it is fit the paper. जितना पेपर में हमारे फिट होता है उतना ही हम लोग मैप में दिखाते हैं. अगर हम लोग इतना सेम टू सेम दिखाएंगे तो मैप पेपर कितना बड़ा हो जाएगा? हम लोग को घर के अंदर रखने के लिए जगह नहीं पड़ेगी वो मैप. Yes or no? So we are having a small map because the place we have shown in the map are very less. Okay, but reality में क्या होता है? वो दूर रहता है. The distance on the map is proportionate to the distance of the on the ground. The scale used on the map is 1 centimeter and 1 kilometer. जो हम लोग scale use करते हैं छोटी छोटी, that is used on the map. Okay, exactly. अगर हम लोग उसको यूज करने लगे तो हम लोग को बड़ा वाला वो जो रहता है ना वो लोग यूज करते, देखो मीटर में जो लगाते हैं, मीटर में चेक करते इतना ये वो उतना है, वैसा अपने को मैप में लगाना पड़ेगा तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. Direction and sub-direction have been determined by man on the basis of the rising and setting of the sun. Thus, nature can be our guide. Thus, the nature can be our guide. Sun rises from the east and sets from the west. Okay, everyone knows that. तो यहाँ पे जब जहाँ wherever you go, जहां से तुम लोग को सनराइज दिखाई दिया वो वेस्ट साइड है, और जहां से सनसेट दिखाई दिया इट्स अ वेस्ट साइड. अंडरस्टूड? ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट साइड. कैसे हम लोग को किधर भी जाओ तुम, गो एनीवेयर, एनी प्लेस यू कैन गो, बट फ्रॉम वेयर द सन राइजेस इज द ईस्ट एंड वेयर द सन सेट्स इज द वेस्ट. अंडरस्टूड? इजी मेथड सबको आना चाहिए. देन make friends with a map. By using the compass rose, we can read the map given above. By using what? Compass. Compass means you can having a compass in your mobile also nowadays. You can see it. Okay. You can use this also in your compass nowadays. We can place the rose on bead and make a list of all the distance. Jalna lies to the north of the bead. Bead कहाँ पर है? You can see. तुम लोग कहाँ कैसे यूज करोगे बीड को, कैसे जय करोगे? Jalna lies to the north of the bead. Bead is the name of the place. Bead is the name of the place. I am knowing that some of the children will ask, टीचर बीड क्या होता है? I know that. Some of the children will raise the hand and tell me, teacher, bead क्या होता है? So bead is a place, name of the place. Understood? Aurangabad, Beed, Jalna. It's a name of the place, children. Sorry. Ahmednagar lies to the west of Beed. अहमदनगर कहाँ से लाइज होता है? वेस्ट ऑफ द बीड. नॉर्थ ऑफ द बीड क्या है? जालना है. एंड अहमदनगर कहाँ पर है? वेस्ट ऑफ द बीड. उस्मानाबाद lies to the south of the bid and Lathur lies to the south east of the bid. Aurangabad lies to the northwest of the bid. Again I am telling, Aurangabad lies to the northwest of the bid. Parbhani lies to the northeast of the bid. Bid is a place, it's a district. Okay, list of the district. Bid is a district. Something is given in there. See bid. See page number 83, everyone. Open the page number 83 of your textbook. Can you see the bid in middle of the map? If you can see, please mark it over there. वहां पे सब दिया. देखो जालना कहाँ पे लाइज हुआ है? बीड के नॉर्थ साइड में. Where is the north? The map is given everything. Where? See the down. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट के यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है नॉर्थ साउथ वेस्ट ईस्ट. You can understand easily map कैसे पढ़ना है. You can see page number 83. Can you see page number 83, everyone? If you got the bead, please mark it over there, and you can write with the pencil or the pen in your textbook only where is the Jalna lies. Jalna lies to the north, and उसके नीचे क्या आता है? देखो सब लोग देखो, अहमदनगर कहाँ पर है? वेस्ट पर है. अहमदनगर उसके वेस्ट में है. कैन यू सी दैट? साउथ में क्या है? उस्मानाबाद है. साउथ में क्या आता है? उस्मानाबाद. नीचे देखो, उस्मानाबाद नीचे है. उसके नीचे देखो, सब देखो. देन परभनी नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है. परभनी नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है. कैन यू सी एवरीवन? देन नांदेड़ इज आल्सो देयर. नांदेड़ कहाँ पर गिर रहा है? देखो नांदेड़. वेयर इज नांदेड़? इट्स ईस्ट साइड. कैन यू सी एवरीवन? नांदेड़ ईस्ट साइड में है. अभी देखो, बीड़ से थाना के नजदीक है क्या? अहमदनगर देखो, पर कितना जगह छोटा दिया. देखो पालघर इज गिवन दिया, नासिक इज दिया. इट्स so long distance, having a so long distance. Then to map में हम लोग ने नजदीक नजदीक दिया हुआ है. Why? Because of the place. You're not having the show each and every exactly, but it's we have given the direction कि कहाँ पर है नासिक. We have given the sub directions also. We are giving the direction. Can you see the Kolhapur over there? South side, Kolhapur is there. Down, Kolhapur, Sangli is there. Satara is there. Solapur is there. It's where does it lies? It's the south side. Everything lies in Sindhudurga. देखो नीचे. Can you see the map, everyone? Telangana is given over there. Gadchiroli, just see. Bid is the middle, so we have taken the bid. Can you see, everyone? Did you open your textbook, children? Did you open your textbook, everyone? Just mark it over there and write with the pen or pencil. Akola is there. Where is Akola? Bid के यहाँ से Akola कहाँ पर गिर रहा है? देखो. Then Buldhana. Buldhana is also up. Jalna के ऊपर Buldhana is given there. Wasim, Hingoli. Just see, Hingoli is bid east, north east side में. Hingoli is north east side. Same like a Parbhani, north east side. Hingoli is also there. Parbhani is also there. Everyone understood? Okay, Pune. Pune lies where? West side. Pune lies where? West side. Okay, just see. Write it over there. Miss will be coming to know what is there. Okay, children, this was our chapter. It is very small to know the direction and sub-direction. If we place the compass rose on the center of the Maharashtra state, location of our Mumbai district is on the west coast of Maharashtra. What we have learned today? Identifying sub-direction, the compass rose, the proportionate nature of maps, the relation between the distance on a map and on the ground. Again, I am telling you, again, you can see the map over there. Again, you can go and see. अभी यही सेम तुम जानना. देखो जानना इज इन मिडल. ओके, नॉर्थ साइड में है. जानना इज मिडल. ओके, सेम लाइक यू कैन डू. बुल्ढाना कहाँ पर है? जानना के नॉर्थ साइड में है. औरंगाबाद कहाँ पर है? वेस्ट साइड में है. हिंगोली कहाँ पर है? ईस्ट साइड में है. बीड कहाँ पर है? साउथ साइड में है. जानना के Same you can do like this. Okay, children. Dhule is where? Jalna kahan par hai? और धुले कहाँ पर है? नॉर्थ वेस्ट साइड धुले इज देयर. वासिम कहाँ पर है चिल्ड्रेन? जलना के वासिम कहाँ पर है? इट्स नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड. ओके. नांदेड़ वेर इज परभनी. सॉरी, परभनी कहाँ पर है? परभनी इज ईस्ट साउथ, ईस्ट एंड साउथ. Yes, okay. Then where is Ahmednagar of Jalna? It's a west south. Understood how we are going to see the directions of directions? Everyone understood? Let me know. Let me know. Again, I told you some of the children are not pay attention और कुछ भी आके मुझे पूछेगी. What is meaning of bid? I told you it's a name of a place. Huh? I told you first only it's a name of the place. 2-3 बार मैंने बोला bid is a name of the place. एक एक तुम लोग को मैं बोल रही हूँ, तुम्हारा ध्यान ही रहता नहीं है बिल्कुल. हाँ, what is her name? Samiksha? Where were you? Talking with the mummy or talking with some of the persons, another person? Pay attention over where while teacher is teaching you. Okay, I will show you now.